What's going on, kid family? Welcome back to the channel, and this is a very special day because we are doing our first ever fan mail. So God bless this gentleman that sent this package out to me, and let's see what it is. Oh, come on, let's go. All right, boys. Pretty nice, eh? So I already know what it is, but you guys don't know what it is, so I don't want to spoil it to you. So let's see. Honestly, before I open this, huge shout out, bro. You did not have to send me this. All right, let's get some real tools over here, eh? I'm kidding. Hold on. All right, guys. Was kind of skeptical at first, but legit. This is legit. Huge shout out, my boy. A Miller welding helmet right here, guys. Auto dimming Miller helmet, and as you guys know, Miller is one of the top manufacturers for anything that has to do with welding. Miller and Lincoln Tech. Huge shout out, bro. I don't even know how to thank you for this. You just came out of nowhere. You just came out of nowhere telling me you're gonna get a helmet for me so I can protect my eyes compared to that helmet that I had bought previously, which was my first welding helmet. Let's take a look here, and this is so freaking awesome, man. Bro, what do you guys think? Look at that, man. Top quality. It's even got a little hood here. Wow, this is, I don't even know how to use this right now, but yeah, it covers. It's a protective lens right there. Clear light lens technology. I'm curious. I'm gonna read more on this helmet just so we know how to use it properly. And yeah, man. Ooh, like, look at the inside of this. The options it has right there. Look how beautiful that is. Digital and digital, baby. Digital. So excited to see this in action, man. Even all this support right here. This is gonna be awesome, man. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it so much. You don't even know. This is just gonna push me and motivate me to weld a little bit more. As you guys know, the welding helmet I was welding with is the Deco welding helmet. They're both auto dimming helmets. There's always a big debate whether you should get an auto dimming helmet. If it's an auto dimming helmet, you can get flashed if you run cheaper helmets. I'm not saying this is a cheap helmet. This right now is gonna probably run you about 60 bucks. I got so lucky I bought this one for $30 on Black Friday a few years ago, and I've used it. I've learned on it. It's decent, but I feel like I did get flashed with that one a few times. But seriously, guys, don't f around with this shit. And it makes your eyes feel like you got sand in them, and it's killing you. So we're gonna set this one up. We're gonna take care of this. So we're gonna do what we need to do in order to get this thing running and performing properly. We gotta protect the eyes, ladies and gentlemen. And look at these things. I do not wanna mess these things up. Let's see what else we have in the box here. A nice bag for the helmet, again from Miller. Some manuals here, and we got some extra protective lenses, and these look heavy duty, man. These look really heavy duty, nice and thick compared to the Deco helmet. So, an awesome fan mail. I don't even know if I'm gonna call this fan mail, but the dude reached out to me, said you're gonna need a better helmet. He came in through 3 days later. I got this in the mail. I appreciate you. I'm probably gonna mention your name somewhere in this video. If you're okay with it, I'm gonna double check with you, but that's awesome. So we gotta start moving up from the flux core welding wire, the titanium 125. We got to think about moving forward with a MIG or a TIG eventually. If we're going to be doing any turbo builds on this channel, we're going to have a TIG welder for custom downpipes, custom aluminum piping for the intercooler routing and whatnot. Honestly, before I go, I feel like I have to mention this because this gentleman went leaps above and beyond. I just went on Amazon and looked at this exact helmet and look at the pricing on this thing. This thing is not cheap, so thank you. I appreciate it, man. And to show some support, guys, if you're willing, go down on his YouTube channel, drop him a big thank you. Let him know we got some subscribers coming from Bullet Kid to show some love and appreciation on his channel. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the care package. Awesome Miller helmet. Really appreciate it, my man. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but